This is to show you how to burp a lid. I grew up in a generation that had Tupperware where we all knew how to burp a lid. But you boys probably have no idea that you need to burp a lid when you put a lid on something. So when you're putting a lid on, the air is going to get trapped in there. And in order for it to be a good seal and also get the air out, you want to burp the lid. So what you're going to do is you're just going to lift a little bit of this lip up and the air will come out like a burp. And then you just put the thing back down and all the air is out of it. Now I'm going to show you that again from another angle, from a top angle. I'm going to show you